This is the traditional method for searching anything. Go to Google, search for whatever you want, and then look for correct search results. You can also use Google Assistant, Siri, or Alexa. But what if someone does all this work for you and provides with even more personalized results? The first step is to select an API that can provide us with suitable data. For news, I have used newsapi.org. Why choose News API? News API provides reliable news for free of cost. You can sign up for premium account, but there is no need. All my requirements were satisfied with the free account. News API also works perfectly with Python. News API sends all the news in .json format. We can also get news from different countries. There are many filters available that we can use to filter the news, such as news related to tech, news related to business. I have used top headlines of India. The best thing about News API is that all the things are well documented and it is fast and secure to use. For weather details, I have used OpenWeather's OneCall API. OpenWeather's API is the best free API available. OpenWeather provides tons of data such as humidity, temperature, visibility, wind direction, weather description. The list is endless. I have used temperature, weather description, and wind speed. OpenWeather provides hourly forecast for 48 hours and daily forecast for 7 days. OpenWeather is also well documented, easy to use with Python. Now, the next question is how to send and where to send all the collected data. If you are a gamer, then it's obvious that you have heard of Discord. Discord is the best app for sending messages, documents, images. Discord is even better than WhatsApp and Telegram in many aspects. I have selected Discord because Discord's webhooks are free to use and literally there are no limits. You can send lakhs of messages with your bot. Discord's webhooks allow developers to develop bots and the speed and reliability of Discord webhook is outstanding. I have used the Discord webhook module for formatting messages. Now let's have a look at how the message updates look like. This is the Discord desktop application and these updates are of hourly weather forecast. The news updates look like this. If you like the news title, then you can click on the title and you will be redirected to the full news article so that you can have a deeper look at the news article. The messages look similar on all three platforms, that is Windows, Android and iOS. Now comes the last question. To deliver messages every hour, our script has to run 24/7 and it's not possible and feasible for us to keep our computer running for the whole day. The solution is to host our script. The best way is to use Python Anywhere. Python Anywhere can keep our scripts running for as long as we want. Of course, there are some restrictions for free account, but our scripts work without any issues. With the free account, you can keep 2 Python programs running at the same time and you get 512 MB of storage to store your data and programs. There are many more features that Python Anywhere offers, such as schedule scripts to run daily at a particular time. You can also host your Django website on Python Anywhere. So that's all about this project. You can also use other APIs to get information, for example, stock market updates. I have published all the source code on GitHub and also I have given the links in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, do leave a comment below.